Hey tool lovers, if you're tired of using the same old tools every day, this video is only for you. Because we've found some unique tools that might serve familiar purposes but stand out from the rest. So without wasting any time, let's see what we've got. Meet the Milwaukee 12-inch digital measuring wheel, your new go-to tool for effortless and precise measurements. This innovative measuring wheel is designed for one-handed use, featuring a clear digital display that lets you record measurements without the hassle of bending down. The easy-to-use handle-mounted controls make operation a breeze, and the digital screen provides a simple method for saving and referencing multiple measurements thanks to its memory function. If you need to pause your measurements to avoid miscalculations, the Milwaukee wheel covers you. Built to withstand the toughest job site conditions, the wheel boasts an IP54 rated backlit LCD screen that keeps out dust and water. It also offers 3 units of measurement, giving you the versatility to handle any project. Whether you're laying out work or need to quickly measure distances, the digital measuring wheel will make your tasks faster, easier, and more accurate. Next up, we have something cool for you. Introducing the Skil Twist 2.0 rechargeable screwdriver. This isn't your regular electric screwdriver. It features a unique head-bending design that makes working in confined spaces a breeze. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing toys, or tightening screws in hard-to-reach cabinets, the Skil Twist 2.0 makes small jobs and repairs quick and comfortable. Its ergonomic design includes a patent-pending pivoting head that locks into 3 positions. It means you'll get the flexibility to work comfortably even in the tightest spots. With its rechargeable power and versatile design, the Twist 2.0 is perfect for any home project, making every task easier and more enjoyable. It's time to take a break from all those annoying, laborious traditional water transfer methods with the RYOBI 18-volt 1+ HP brushless water transfer pump. This powerful pump is perfect for moving water from unwanted areas to where you need it. Equipped with HP technology and a brushless motor, it achieves an impressive flow rate of 10 gallons per minute at quarter horsepower. With a 54-foot head height and a 17-foot lift height, this pump handles a variety of tasks effortlessly. Whether you're dealing with flooded basements, pool maintenance, or irrigation, this uniquely made water transfer pump is your efficient and reliable solution. Experience top-notch hearing protection and audio quality with the Klein Bluetooth Jobsite earbuds. These earbuds feature naturally expanding memory foam tips with a noise reduction rating of 28 decibels so that your ears remain well protected every time. Enjoy high-quality stereo sound with crisp treble, clear mids, and rich bass. Bluetooth technology offers an ultra-stable connection, faster pairing, and universal compatibility. Built-in microphones provide crystal-clear calls and voice assistant functionality, even in busy environments. Enjoy wireless music on the go without the hassle of cables, and find your perfect fit with interchangeable earbud tips for comfort in any setting. With more than 15 hours of playtime and a rugged charging case that can withstand 2-meter drops, these IP65-rated earbuds are dust-proof and water-resistant, making them perfect for any job site or casual use. Looking for a unique and easy-to-use tool that makes finding studs easier and more precise? Say hi to the DEWALT stud finders. These tools are designed with center-find technology so that you can effortlessly locate the center of studs for precise and efficient readings. With a detection depth of 1.5 inches for both wood and metal, these stud finders offer superior accuracy compared to traditional models that only find the edges. For added safety, they also detect AC and live wires. The device features constant auto-calibration, saving you time during use. Plus, it comes with audible alerts and directional LED arrows, which provide clear notifications and visual guidance. Meanwhile, the center marking channel makes it easy to mark the exact center of the stud. On top of that, the slim profile of these tools ensures easy handling and storage for any project. Everyone knows the hassle of mixing thick materials manually. That's why we have kept this cordless mixer on our list. This is the Makita UT00 1G cordless mixer. Powered by a 40-volt XGT lithium-ion battery, this mixer features a brushless motor that provides output power comparable to, or even better than, corded models in its class. Its double D handle design reduces user fatigue, enhancing work efficiency, while the ergonomic rubberized D handle ensures a comfortable grip. The screw-in type shaft holder adds convenience, and the soft start function minimizes startup shock for smoother operation. The mixer also boasts variable speed control, an anti-restart function for safety, mechanical 2-speed settings, and constant speed maintenance. Additionally, its battery protection system automatically shuts off power when the battery level is low, safeguarding the tool and extending battery life. Don't go on its toy-type look. This EasyCurvSander from Bosch is the ultimate cordless tool for sanding and polishing flat, as well as curved surfaces with ease. Equipped with 3 rotating and movable discs, it handles sanding and polishing of flat, curved, and rounded surfaces effortlessly. The electronic speed pre-selection ensures you always have the perfect speed for the job and material, while long-lasting sanding nets deliver high material removal rates and excellent surface quality. Enjoy low vibration, low noise operation, and effective dust extraction for a cleaner work environment and enhanced comfort. From hardwood to softwood, varnished surfaces, metal, and even leather, the Bosch EasyCurvSander is your go-to tool for versatile and efficient surface finishing tasks. RYOBI Brushless Kinetic Log Splitter, an innovative way that redefines efficiency and power in log splitting. Featuring 40-volt HP technology, it delivers an impressive 12 tons of splitting force, surpassing traditional 80cc gas log splitters for true gas replacement capability. The brushless motor, advanced electronics, and high-performance lithium technology combine to offer increased power, extended runtime, and enhanced durability. This log splitter tackles hardwoods like white oak, red oak, and hickory with ease, thanks to its kinetic design that achieves a rapid 2-second cycle time 10 times faster than conventional methods. With up to 150 splits per charge, it efficiently transforms chopped or fallen trees into manageable firewood. Maneuvering is effortless with comfortable hand grips and rugged all-terrain wheels, while the heavy-duty steel frame ensures durability across tough terrain. For added convenience, it stores vertically when not in use. Milwaukee M12 Pipeline Locator. Here's another tool that might confuse you at its first look. This is the Milwaukee M12 Pipeline Locator. Designed for pinpointing sewer camera sondes and tracing underground sewer lines, it eliminates guesswork by displaying a directional arrow upon startup, guiding users directly to the sonde's location. Dual 3D antennas enhance sensitivity and precision, minimizing false peaks for accurate detection. Equipped with a 4.3-inch color LCD, the locator ensures clear on-screen navigation and visibility even in bright sunlight. Its IP65 rating guarantees durability in tough outdoor conditions. Powered by M12 red lithium batteries, this tool offers extended all-day runtime on a single charge. Ideal for professionals needing reliable and efficient plumbing locating, the Pipeline Locator sets a new standard in ease of use and performance. Now here comes the Makita PM00 1G Backpack Mist Blower, a versatile tool offering exceptional convenience across various applications. It features a remarkably long maximum spray range comparable to engine-powered models, ensuring effective coverage. With 3 spraying speed modes, it adapts easily to different tasks from fine misting to broader applications. The solution supply valve, linked with the switch trigger, prevents solution dripping, maintaining cleanliness during operation. Plus, its WetGuard technology enhances water resistance so that you can operate it even in wet conditions. Apart from that, the brushless motor ensures maintenance-free operation and extended lifespan, while a built-in battery protection circuit safeguards against overload, over-discharge, and overheating, optimizing battery performance and longevity. All in all, this backpack mist blower combines durability, efficiency, and ease of use, which makes it an ideal tool for misting and landscaping, pest control, and sanitation applications. So that's all! Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.